The King's Trade Sport Development Program is for Year 11 and 12 students who are passionate about sport and fitness. Our dedicated sport program provides real-world industry and coaching experience through a paid traineeship.
I'm Charlie, I'm in Year 11 and I'm a sprinter. My goal is to make the World Juniors and eventually make the Olympics. I love that one day a week I get to coach and invest in young athletes at different primary schools and get paid for it.
We chose the King's Trade Sport Development Program for our daughter because we felt that it was going to give her the best opportunity for what she wanted to do as an athlete and also for her future career in the sporting industry. By choosing this, it'll give them the opportunity to either go straight into the workforce or they can go to university and study something along the lines of exercise science.
I'm Aiden, I'm in grade 11. I'm the captain of the King's basketball team. I've represented Queensland. My main goal for my future is to play pro over in America. I love the practical skills I'm learning through this program. The learning opportunities are different to regular high school.
When Aiden comes home from school, after he's been teaching, he comes home, he's just full of energy, he's really excited, he's happy to give me stories about what he's done. As parents, it's great to see Aiden flourish and excel in everything he's doing.
Graduates of the Sport Development Program are work ready with the option of direct entry into pre-approved bachelor degrees at university.
I recommend this to anyone interested in a sporting career.
The Sport Development Program has been a great choice for me.